Welcome to my Grimoire entries, page 8. Amongst pagans, speaking one's intentions is often considered a powerful way to bring change. This is because they believe a positive attitude and a focus on goals will achieve the desired outcomes. Most pagans will perform various spiritual exercises daily, though no two practitioners might have the same practices. They might light candles, pour a cup of water to their ancestors, or say a prayer. All pagans are encouraged to be rooted in the earth and to engage with the natural world. This entails avoiding chemicals and being aware of the earth's natural cycles and rhythms. Practicing magic is a popular activity in paganism, a form of spiritual practice that is sometimes compared to prayer, although it has more of a physical component than Western prayer. Wiccans believe that they have a divine connection with nature. Some even claim that they must take care of the planet. They are right to a certain extent. However, the witches of old did not. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced witch, you can perform many moon rituals to strengthen your magic. A full moon ritual is a great way to celebrate the end of a lunar cycle. It can also help you focus on what you need to let go of. If you're performing a ritual, you should be clear about your intentions. You should also make sure they're in sync with your intuition. If you need more clarification, you should ask yourself why you're doing the ritual in the first place. Wiccans often worship a goddess or a male god. The goddess is traditionally viewed as the triple goddess, but there are many different pagan deities, including the goddess, the great goddess, and the horned god. Besides being a powerful entity, the moon has been associated with witches for centuries. It also symbolizes Diana, the Roman goddess of the hunt. Many cultures throughout the world believe in witchcraft. Witchcraft, in its broadest sense, is a practice of combining different cultural traditions to create a spiritual path. Witches may use folk magic, Wicca, and other New Age practices. In the United States, there are approximately 1 million practitioners. Although witchcraft has long been a feared practice, it has also been a source of empowerment for women. The concept of witches breaking from the status quo was a common theme throughout recorded history. Witches can harness the energy of the moon phases to create powerful spells. The moon is a powerful symbol of wild, free women. It's also a time of fullness for crops and human emotions. I wish you well and merry part.